Bring it back easy now. Clear on the left side, keep coming. And stop right there. Set the brake.
Easy now, keep moving. Watch the gate on the left.
Control, this is Dock 3. Gates are secure, barriers checked, we are ready to commence unloading. Roger that, Dock 3. Proceed with caution. Ensure the flank is spotless before rinsing.
Already on it, boss. Moving to the tail now.
Watch the horns on that one, he's close to the barrier. Roger that.
Section 3 reports optimal drying. Begin the sterilization sequence on the probe.
Sequence initiated. Monitors are showing stable vitals.
Verification complete on tag 4R.
Data confirms the match. Vitals are stable.
All right, let's clear chute 3.
Temperature is 101.5.
All right, logging that as healthy.
Temperature is 101.5.
All right, logging that as healthy.
Heart sounds are strong and steady.
I am logging the data now. Ocular exam clear. No signs of infection.
Confirmed. Data logged.
Temperature is 101.5.
All right, logging that as healthy.
Heart sounds are strong and steady.
I am logging the data now.
Everything looks good in here, nice strong teeth. Confirmed healthy condition.
No cracks or injuries visible on the distal horn. The growth rings are prominent.
Let's check the lateral aspect closely.
No signs of stress fractures or microabrasions. The keratin is fully healthy.
The coat condition is excellent, no signs of parasites here.
Agreed. The dermatoscope confirms healthy tissue.
Apply pressure right there. Easy now. He's holding steady, doctor. Radiographs are clear.
All right, the results are all positive. The herd is completely healthy.
Understood. Updating the records now.
Clearance tags attached.
Quality check complete on these longhorns. We're clear to move them to the first processing stage.
Sterilization cycle initiated. Temperature rising to optimal levels. Separate the bracelet cuts onto the left tray. Ensure the stripes match the sample exactly before sending them to inspection.